Hi, my name is Marisol, and my topic is how repressed memories occur and how they are recovered. I picked this topic because I thought it was interesting how people could repress traumatic events and have things that trigger them and not know why they feel that way. And also a big part of this is I just thought it was interesting how someone could forget something so big in their life that impacts them in the future and just not know anything about it. I just thought that was crazy. My thesis is how repressed memories happens with dissociation, denial, and forgetting. To recover these memories, patients can use repressed memory therapy, which includes brain spotting and primal therapy. The Return of the Repressed, which is by Sigmund Freud, describes a process during which traumatic/difficult events that a person does not remember consciously reappears in a person's behavior, such as symptoms. Some examples of this would be specific phobias, insomnia, loss of appetite or insatiable appetite, and etc. Because the event is too traumatic to remember, the memory of the event is unconscious. The person will think they don't remember it, even if they might, but their mind will tell them they won't. How repressed memories occur. One of the ways is dissociation by detaching themselves away from the traumatic event. They blur or alter or block the memory and will cover memory when they're older. When they're older, they might recover the memory again. Another one is denial, which it never registers in your conscious. So it's like the mind doesn't let a picture form. And then forgetting is not remembering until something is triggered, which is consciously buried it or simply forget about it. Repressed memory recovery would be like brain spotting, somatic transformation therapy, primal therapy, sensorimotor, psychotherapy, neurolinguistic programming, internal family system therapy. Also, they use hypnosis, guided imaginary, or age regression. This can also have some unintended consequences using this, such as creating false memories, and it can have a negative impact on both the person experiencing them and anyone who might be implicit in them. So it might accuse someone of doing something that they didn't with the false memories that the therapy created. Some symptoms of having repressed therapy or repressed memories, it would be anxiety, somatic symptoms, and depression. One of the main examples I have is from the movie Marnie. Her mother is a prostitute and she used to make money for her and her daughter. And one day she was scared of a thunderstorm and one of her mom's clients came to comfort her. And he could have been trying to molest her, and then the mom comes in and stops and starts fighting him. And Marnie grabs the metal fire poker from the fireplace and kills him. The mom takes the blame and she says it's for self-defense, and that's why he died. The repressed memory is the trauma of killing the man, and the return is a phobia she has afterwards in her life. She forgets the memory, but she has these phobias, such as the color red from the blood, the thunderstorms from the day of the event, the pathological theft of having her mom not be a prostitute anymore, so she never wants her to go through that again, and the phobia of sex. By the end of the movie, it shows how she remembers and understands her trauma and she has a full recovery, which does not always happen for repressed memories in every situation. And she does end up having a bad relationship with her mom because of those repressed memories and her mom remembering those memories. And that's it. Thank you.